The higher we are placed, the more humble we should walk. Warm greetings to one and all. Leaders inspire others. Leaders empower others. Leadership is an opportunity to serve others. I heartily welcome you all to the Investiture Ceremony 2021 of St. Mary's Matriculation Girls Higher Secondary School. We are quite delighted to present our investiture ceremony through the virtual mode. Of course, we do wish that we were all together in person celebrating this day. But what we have today, even ever before, is the gratitude and hope. Gratitude for everything that we always took for granted, and hope for a better tomorrow. We commence this aspiring program with Tamil Thai வாழ்த்து.
நீராடும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த தேரொழுகும் சீராடும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிது திரைக்கணமும் மதிசிறந்த திராவிடர் திருநாடும் தற்பசிறு விரைவுகளும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மறந்த இருந்த பெரும் தமிழருங்கே தமிழருங்கே ஒரு சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல்மறந்து வாழ்ந்ததுமே வாழ்ந்ததுமே வாழ்ந்ததுமே.
Now, the spectacular Marian Band will give the guard of honor to our chief guest, Dr. J. Raja Singh Roglin, Director of Physical Education, Nazareth Margocious College, Nazareth.
Band standard test. Band attention. Band standard test. Band attention. VIP arrival. Band sound.
If you have the courage to begin, you have the courage to succeed. Being brave is one of the hallmarks of a true leader. The Marian Choir will now render a special song, Brave a Leadership, followed by a prayer and Bible reading.
My son, forgot not my law, but let thine heart keep my commandments. For length of days and long life and peace shall thou add of thee. And let not mercy and truth forsake thee. Bind them about thy neck, write them upon the table of thine heart. So thou shalt find favor and good understanding in the sight of God and men. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thy own understanding. In all thy way acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
Now, our beloved principal, Mrs. Miriam Jairani, will deliver the welcome address.
Words shape the future. Leaders shape our nations, communities, and institutions. Delegating is one of the responsibility of a leader. A great leader possesses a clear vision, is courageous, has integrity, honesty, humility, and clear focus. Leadership means taking responsibility with great privilege. It is very important to realize that before becoming great leaders, one must learn to be a great follower. Leadership is not about your titles, positions, or flow charts. It is about one's life influencing one another. We pray to Almighty that He may direct the paths of these student leaders so that they may have knowledge and virtue, honesty and courage, humility and responsibility, so that they may lead and not be led. On this significant occasion of the second virtual investiture ceremony during this pandemic, we are delighted to have with us Dr. Raja Singh Ruglan, Director for the Department of Physical Education, Nazareth Marcus College at Pillayan Malai. Areas of special interest is in football, track and field, basketball and sports training. His teaching experience are in St. Peter's Matriculation Higher Secondary School at Kodaikanal in the academic year 1997 to 98. He was lecturer in Dr. Sivanthi Adityanar College of Physical Education, Tiruchendur from 1998 to 2001. He is Director of Physical Education in Nazareth Marcus College since 2001. He presented 3 papers in the international conferences and 13 papers in the national conference. He also published 1 article in an international journal and national journal. He also gave a speech in national workshops and webinars. He was awarded with many awards and honors from Football Association. My hearty welcome goes to you, sir. At this juncture, I am proud to welcome our supporting staff and the pillars of our institutions. It is Honorable Justice J. Kanagaraj, retired judge from Madras High Court, and our Managing Trustee and Correspondent Thiru L. Palamalai IAS, retired. I welcome you, sirs, for this investiture ceremony. My pleasure is to welcome our trustees, guiding star of St. Mary's Group of School, Mrs. Leelama John and Mr. Shaktidhar. I welcome you, ma'am. Welcome, sir. I extend my warm welcome to our Vice Principal, Mr. Ganesh, who is a great supporter in all our activities of our school. Warm welcome, sir. Next, I welcome our headmistress, Mrs. Tilakavati Perumal, for extending her full cooperation in all our school affairs. I welcome you, ma'am. I extend gracious welcome to all the parents, grandparents, whose presence is a source of motivation and encouragement to all our students and all of us. I take immense pleasure in welcoming all our student council teaching and non-teaching staff for this second virtual celebration. I would like to convey my warm wishes and heartfelt congratulations to every member of the student council. All the best. God bless you.
Presenting to you next a captivating welcome dance.
Sa 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 gi sa ri sa pa ma ma da 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 sa ri pa pa sa 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 gi sa ri sa pa ma ma da 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 sa ri pa pa ga ma da ni sa ri ri sa அழகே அழகே எதுவும் அழகே அன்பின் விழியில் எல்லாம் அழகே மழை மட்டுமா அழகு சுடும் வெயில் கூட ஒரு அழகு மலர் மட்டுமா அழகு விழும் இலை கூட ஒரு அழகு புன்னகை வீசிடும் பார்வைகள் அழகு வார்த்தைகள் தீர்க்கையில் மௌனங்கள் அழகு நன்மைக்கு சொல்லிடும் பொய்களும் அழகு உண்மை அதுதான் நீயாய் அழகு கமதனி சா நிரிசா கமதனி சா கரிசா
ceremony is one of the important ceremony of our school, awaited by all the students. Years after years, it reminds us all of the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly elected cabinet. Donning the mantle of responsibility, our school senate is now ready to get invested. May I now request our chief guest, Dr. J. Rajasingh Roglin, Director of Physical Education, to confer the leadership.
I confer leadership to the chosen members of the St. Mary's Girls Matriculation Higher Secondary School Senate 2021-22.
The school pupil leader, M. Shri Darshini of 12C, will now take the oath, and thereafter the SPL, the ASPL, primary captain and primary vice captain will take the salute, and their proud parents will pin up the badges.
Good morning to everyone. I promise this day hence to perform my duties to the best of my abilities and in the interest of this institution as a whole. I promise to promote the growth and discipline in and out of the school campus, take part in all the activities of this institution, and to add continuity to the fame and glory to the Marian flag. Thank you.
Sports Secretary S. Thea Mary will now take the oath. Thereafter, the Sports Secretary, along with the captains and vice captains of various houses, will take the salute, and their parents will pin up the badges.
With the L of house flag, the symbol of house spirit in our hand, we solemnly promise the presence of the entire school to discharge the duty of a captain to utmost ability. In this, we mean to obey the rules and regulations for the institution, to show a good example at all times, and work with constant enthusiasm for good of our school.
I now request our headmistress, Mrs. Tilagavati Perumal, to declare the primary captains and vice captains of various houses.
Good morning to all. It is my great pleasure to declare the house captains and vice captains for this year 2021-22 for the primary section. Primary Captain Sharon Samraj of 5th B, Assistant Primary Captain R. Vishal of 5th A, Nehru Captain J. Andrea Grace of 5th E, Vice Captain R. Nishit of 5th E, Netaji House Captain Karan Jonah Samson of 5th C and Vice Captain S. Kartikeya of 5th A, Patel House Captain M. K. Yalini of 5th A and Vice Captain R. Hari Prasad of 5th C, Dragon House Captain S. Veronica of 5th D and Vice Captain L. Subish Matthew of 5th B. Hearty congratulations to all the house captains and vice captains and wish you all the best for this year 2021 and 22.
It's time now to introduce to you the house mistresses and assistant house mistresses, teachers in charge of various clubs, club secretaries and assistant club secretaries, class teachers, class leaders and assistant class leaders. May I now request our chief guest, Dr. J. Raja Singh Roglin, Director of Physical Education, Nazareth Margoshes College, Nazareth, to address us all.
Respected Chairman, Honorable Justice J. Kanagaraj, Managing Trustee and Correspondent Mr. L. Palamalai IAS retired, Principal Mrs. Miriam Asila Jairani, Vice Principal Mr. Ganesh, Headmistress Mrs. Tilagavati Perumal, staff and my dear students. I extend a warm greetings to you all. It's a great privilege for me and it's a great pleasure for me to participate in this investiture ceremony of St. Mary's Girls Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Perambur. First of all, I would like to congratulate and wish all the chosen members of the Senate of this academic year, especially the SPL, ASPL, captains and vice captains of primary as well as the higher secondary, the sports secretary and the house captains and vice captains of both primary as well as higher secondary and the staff in charges for those houses, the club secretaries and the club assistant secretaries and the club teachers in charge and the house mistresses and assistant house mistresses, class leaders, class assistant leaders, as well as the class teachers also. Also, I would like to congratulate the choir girls as well as the teacher in charge for the choir. Also, I congratulate the band team members and the band leader as well as the teacher in charge for the band. I appreciate all the efforts you have taken to be the great leaders of tomorrow. This is an experience, great experience for you all to learn leadership. Today's leaders of your school will become the leaders of the world tomorrow. Also, I appreciate the efforts taken by the parents to encourage the children. It's a great thing. I also appreciate them also. Also, I would like to congratulate the efforts taken by the physical education faculty, especially Mrs. Sundari, Mrs. Gunavadi, Mrs. Baby Uma Maheshwari, and Mrs. Sugasini. And I also wish and congratulate each and every one of you took part to complete this occasion very successful. In this occasion, I would like to give you few words about the physical exercises to stay healthy as well as to improve your immunity. Physical activity and exercises help us to stay healthy as well as to improve our immunity, especially during this COVID pandemic period. So I would like to give you some examples of exercises to be done in our day-to-day activities. First one is aerobic or cardiovascular activities. These are like walking, jogging, and running, swimming, like prolonged activities with the help of oxygen. We are doing these type of activities. These are some examples: walking, jogging, running, aerobics, swimming, dancing, and cycling. This can be done from 20 minutes to 1 hour a day. And another type of physical activity and exercises are strength training, or else we call it as resistance training. By adding some resistance while doing our strength training activities, we can improve the strength of our muscles. The improvement in strength of the muscle helps us to work for a prolonged period without undue fatigue. We can improve the joint strength and we can avoid the pain in the joints and muscles. So these sort of exercises improve our strength in our skeletal muscles. These are some examples doing strength training exercises with additional weights. And these 6 exercises are best for doing our strength exercise with our own body as resistance. 3 exercises for upper body and 3 exercises for lower body. These are very good exercises for developing our total body strength. And core strength exercises. These exercises develop our core strength, that is the abdominal and back region. We can develop core strength by doing such sort of exercises. We can also avoid our back pain by doing these core strength exercises regularly and progressively from simple to complex exercises. And another type of activities are flexibility training activities. These are flexing our muscles and improving our joint range of motions. If we want to do an activity with the fullest limit of our muscles, we must do all type of flexibility training activities. And also, before going for any physical activity or exercises, we must follow some guidelines. If you are a sick person or a ill person, you must consult your doctor before going for any physical activity or exercises. And also, before going for any physical activity or exercise, we must do regular warm-up. Warm-up makes our body readiness to do all vigorous type of physical exercises. And if you are an inactive person for a prolonged long period, you must start your activity very slowly and gradually you can increase your physical activity level. Best method of doing your physical activity exercises is brisk walking. Start with your brisk walk and progressively improve your speed and progress to jogging and running also. A total of 60 minutes a day of doing a physical activity or exercises, including all type of aerobic, muscle strengthening, flexibility exercises are recommended. In that, 20 to 60 minutes of aerobic activities and 20 to 30 minutes of muscle strengthening exercises. This can be done 2 to 4 times a week. And also flexibility exercises also we can do daily or 3 days a week. Or else we can do 5 minutes a day before going for any activity, and after completing the activity we can do flexibility training also. By doing all such set of exercises we can keep up our physical fitness, and we can stay healthy. By improving our physical fitness, we can improve the immunity to fight against all sort of diseases and viruses. With these few words, I once again congratulate the efforts taken by the management, staff and students for this great occasion. I thank each and every one of you for the opportunity given for me to take part in this auspicious occasion. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for kind words and specifying the importance of exercise for improving health and immunity, the need of the hour. May I now request our Vice Principal, Mr. R. Ganesh, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Love and respect to our beloved chairman and correspondent. A blessed morning to the two pillars of our school, beloved chairman Through J. Kanagaraj sir, retired Judge, Madras High Court, Managing Trustee and Correspondent through L. Palamalai sir, retired IAS, and the trustees Mrs. Leelama John and Sakti sir, who supported in all our ventures. A warm greeting goes to the Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. J. Raja Singh Roglan, teachers, parents and non-teaching staff members to make this day a grand success. It gives me a great pride and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of our school. Sincere thanks goes to the Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. Raja Singh Roglan, for his valuable remarks. I extend my sincere thanks to our beloved Principal, Mrs. Miriam Maasla Jerani, who coordinate everyone towards the success of this event, and also to the headmistress, Mrs. Tilagati Perumal, for giving a remarkable program. Behind every successful program lies the manifold effort of the committed faculty members. Thanks to all the dedicated members. Finally, I would like to acknowledge the unconditional love and support given by the parent during this pandemic period. My best wishes goes to SPL, ASPL, Sports Secretary, House members, class leaders, assistant leaders and assistant class leaders. I would like to end my vote of thanks saying, leaders are not born, they are created. Every child is a leader of tomorrow. Thank you.
Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. We wish each one of you more courage, more strength, more happiness, and best of the health every day. Keep learning and improving. We wish you the ability to strive, to overcome, and to never ever give up.